All right, this is Tuesday's lesson. Remember our rhyme recognition. You put thumbs up. Oh no. You repeat the two words that rhyme. Okay, I'm going to say 3. Jam, ram, log. And you would say jam, ram are the ones that rhyme. Hop, top, hit. Hop, top. Bike was like. Bike, like. Buff, mud, bud. Mud, bud. Pen, 10, leg. Pen, 10. Talk, taste, waste. Taste, waste. Roof, fix, 6. Fix, 6. Okay, onset fluency. I'm going to say 3 words and you tell me the sound that those 3 words start with. 50, fast, finally. Map, matter, minute. Idea, ice, island. I. Vanish, vest, victory. Acorn, April, 8. A. Good. Okay, we're going to blend the phonemes, remember? I'm going to tell you the sounds, and this one has 3 sounds. For example, I would say s, id, and you would blend it together for Sid. Okay? Let's try the next one. I, mine. We blend it together. I'm going to do these ones with you today. T, oob, tube. S, a, same. Ice. Rice. T, n. 10. Back. Back. Kneel. Kneel. Okay. Now the final sounds are the ones now where you tell me thumbs up if they end the same, thumbs down if they do not end the same. Lick, like. Yep, they both end with k. Drip, pop. P. Lamp, car. No. Best, street. Yeah. Pen, line. Very good. Okay, we're going to segment. I'll say it, you say it, and you chop it up. Okay. Sack. Sack. I'll do the first couple with you. Name. Aim. Piece. Bike. Home. Cub. Hit. Okay, good job. Okay, I'm going to add the initial phoneme. We're starting with end, add O to the beginning, and it makes O, end, lend. We have or, add s to the beginning, and it makes s, or, soar. We have all, add to the beginning, and it makes mall. We have add j to the beginning and it makes jump. We have ache, add s to the beginning and it makes sake. We have r, add k to the beginning and it makes car. We have ear, add d to the beginning and it makes deer. Good. Okay, now we're going to delete. We have the word vet without v. What's left? Et. We have the word peach without p. What's left? Each. We have the word coat without k. What's left? Oat. We have the word bake without b. What's left? Ache. We have the word fit without f. What's left? It. We have the word joke without j. What's left? Oak. Okay, we just have substituting in our nursery rhyme. We have the word booth. Change b to t, and the word is booth, tooth. We have the word nice. Change n to v, and the word is ice, vice. We have the word honk. Change h to b, and the word is onk, bonk. We have the word list. Change l to and the word is mist. We have the word beach. Change b to p, and the word is peach. Very good. And the nursery rhyme is an old one. Very beginning. Old Mother Hubbard. Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to give the poor doggy a bone. When she got there, the cupboards were bare. So the poor little doggy had none. Okay, we'll do a new one tomorrow.